Hello. All right, guys. Group lesson number 2. We got Luca, Kevin, Jonah, Luba, and Libby. We're gonna take up surfing. It is a gorgeous day in Kainehe, and yeah, let's go. Excited? Nervous?
Yeah.
Cool. You got a big smile. Feels nice to get wet, huh?
Yes.
All right, let's get away. First try, Mr. Jonah. Nice work. All right. Stand up, Kev. Nice. First try. Oh. First try too. Just need a better wave. Nice work walking. Kevin, how was that first one? Fun. That was radical, man. That was first try. Nice work. And speaking of which, Luba, how are you today?
Okay, I'm doing good.
Think you're doing good?
Good, yeah.
All right.
I guess we start here, huh?
Yeah, we start right here.
All right, that's good.
Cool. So what's gonna happen is a wave's gonna come. I'm gonna tell you to paddle for it. And then right as I push you is when you stand up. Not right now, but when the wave is coming, okay?
So when you push me?
Yes. I will, and I will tell you verbally, like, since it's like one of your first times.
Are you gonna yell stand or something?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm gonna stand. Luba, stand up!
Or you can just yell stand up.
Okay.
I won't hear you.
Luba. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Oh! Oh! Almost! Oh! Now, Liv, first try. Oh! So, Liv, how are you today?
Good.
Good?
Good, yeah.
Having fun? So on that last one, super nice effort. I noticed that when you stood up, you were very solid, but then you stood very tall and then you fall. Yeah. So on the next one, we have a little saying. It's called stand tall, you fall, and then low, you go. So I want you to stand low and press those feet firmly in the board.
Okay.
Sound good? Good. Here goes Lib, and she's got it. Nice work. Libby. Yeah, good stuff.
So where do you usually put the feet? Here?
Just right on the center line. You want your feet middle back on the board. Okay. But just try focus on standing up, and then when you stand up and you let go of your hands, press your feet into the board so you have maximum stability.
Okay.
Yeah, you ready? Jonesah. Yema. Luba. Grand Luba. Oh! Luba! Luba!
Alright. Was it any better?
I don't know, how did it feel to you?
It actually feels a little better.
Right on.
At least I tried to get up.
Yeah. So did it feel fast or slow?
The same.
The same?
Yeah.
Hot or cold?
I'm sorry?
Hot or cold?
I mean the water.
Just everything. The experience.
Hotter.
Hotter?
Made it better.
Right on. All right. Bumpy or smooth?
Okay.
Oh, a little too much. Little too much. Right there. Okay, okay.
I'm good.
Yeah. Did it feel bumpy or smooth?
Bumpy.
Like on the wave.
I feel like I just need to get up.
And you got up?
Yes, I did get up, but then I kind of. I don't know what happened. I think somebody ran into me or something.
You know, there was a lot of people on the wave.
Right.
Nice effort though. What I noticed was that when you stood up, you stood very tall and you were like, oh my gosh, I'm up. And then you were kind of looking up.
Okay, so lower.
So as soon as you stand up, that is when the journey begins. I want you to focus. Make sense?
Okay.
So once you stand up, I want you to press into the board and look where you're going instead of like, oh, okay, I got it. You know?
Okay.
But
all
nice,
right, well, that makes sense.
Nice work on that last one. That was the best wave I saw you got. Oh. Stand up. Up! 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 Yeah! There he is. How you doing, Luca?
All right.
Having fun?
Yeah, I had a lot of fun.
Get a couple waves?
Yeah.
That's what it's all about, man.
For sure.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Luca! Yeah. Jonah! Go! Go, paddle, you got it, go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 yeah, go. Oh, skier, yeah. Made it work.